Aquaba, my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Bella. I have a lozenge in my mouth. As you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. I mentioned potentially doing one at some point in one of my previous videos, and lots of you guys said that you did. So before I go on tangent, if you haven't subscribed, please consider joining the Melanated family. I would love you guys to join. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know how I feel about you. So let's get straight into the video. My eyebrows are super unruly, as you can see. There's lots of kind of bald patches and all kinds of nonsense happening. So we're just gonna sort that out. Ooh, I also forgot to mention, if there's any product like around your eyebrows, I would just advise like wiping it off with toner water or whatever you got. Just because I find that the eyebrow products that I use, it applies a lot better on like bare, clean skin. So I'm just going in with some toner water to remove all of the oils that might be on my brows, and then you kind of just want to let that dry first as well. Now my eyebrows are clean, I'm just going to comb them up again. And this just kind of gives me a rough guideline of where to draw my brows as well. Brush the hairs up at the front and just kind of curve the hairs around my arch around like so. Okay, cool. So as of late, I've been doing a much more kind of fluffy brows, more natural looking brows. So the first thing that I'm going to use to try and achieve that is precisely my brow. This is from Benefit. I just find the tip of this is really thin, so I can get really nice fluffy hair-like strokes in. What I'm going to do is outline my brow really carefully with the pencil. And I'm literally just following the natural shape of my brow. So like that on the bottom. And when I get to the top, I don't draw the line all the way at the front just because I find that it makes it look a bit blocky. So I start from about here. I'm just going to brush my hairs up again. Okay, like that. So now you can kind of see what my brow's doing. Yeah. So, outline of the eyebrows there. I know people usually start at the tail, but I actually like to start at the front of my brow. Tackle the challenging bit first if you want, and then work my way back. So what you want to do is try and make really nice hair-like strokes at the front of the brow. Don't do too many though. It's better to do less and then come back maybe and add more than go ham initially and realize, crap, my eyebrows look blocky and I can't get rid of it. Because ain't nobody got time to wipe the whole eyebrow off, you know? Now. So, I start right from the front and I do little curved hairs. Like so. And try and curve the hairs towards where you've started that initial line so it looks really nice and seamless when you go to clean it up. Okay, now I've done the front of the brow, I'm gonna just, again, do really light strokes throughout the brow. But you can do more strong strokes towards the end, like so. Can you already see the difference? Feel free to brush your eyebrow hairs. I feel like it helps blend the product, but it also kind of shows you what the brow's gonna look like. Okay, so from here I can see that this area is a bit patchy still, so I'm just gonna add more hairs. But again, not too much at all. Okay, so I'm happy with that. Now we're gonna clean up the eyebrow first. I'm going to be using the FENTY Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. I'm just going to pop a little bit at the back of my hand. I'm going to also be using LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm going to pop a little bit of that on the back of my hand as well. And the only reason why I mix these shades is because I like a slightly lighter underbrow conceal and a slightly darker one on top. Now this is actually a new addition to my eyebrow routine. This is the Fenty Beauty Conceal. The Fenty Beauty Conceal brush, and this just blends everything out so beautifully. Yeah, this is such a nice concealer brush for this. Already looking a lot more fleeky. Now this is something again that I just do. I really lightly brush through my brows again, just because I feel like it gets rid of that harsh line that the concealer creates. But don't do this bit too hard, otherwise I feel like you lose the shape of the brow. Cool. Last but not least, I'm using another Benefit product. I promise this video is not sponsored, but I just really like Benefit's brow range. I feel like the products just get me the brows I want to achieve in 2019. Okay, so this is the 24-hour brow setter. Looks like this. And then what I'm going to do is, again, just brush the hairs exactly where I want them to go, but this is going to give you a really lovely fluffy brow and make sure that your brows are set all day. Okay, so I mean, it says it in the name already, 24-hour brow setter. It literally, the texture of this, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's insane. And it literally sets my brows all day. And then I kind of just shape it. So before, and I do like my natural brows. I'm confident enough with my brows to like just rock them the way they are, but we definitely like a fleeky brow as well. The before, the after. Okay, so eyebrows are intact. They're definitely sisters as opposed to twins, but I'm known to make a cousin brows, so this is a step forward. I'm gonna do a really quick makeup look. So this is the final look, guys. I just did a really simple kind of nude lip. A little bit of rose gold in the eyes. Really simple and really simple and really wearable. So if you guys want to know how I achieve this look, like this video and I will show you. But yeah, my eyebrows are looking all kinds of sexy right now. But I hope this video can help someone with the eyebrow routine, if that's a thing to help with. I don't know. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to show me love on the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.